slave siders back then. They were skinny and small. And from this entry, you can go to the sniper room of it.
As yun sa kabila.
Take a look at the gap right there. See the gap?
Oh, thank you.
Small gap right there.
Mula dyan pala hanggang doon. Hanggang doon. Nandito. Pumasok sila. Pumasok siya. Ayan. Ayoko. Bili nila.
Next one, all of you can go down the same time. Next one.
You're alive.
I made it.
There you are.
That was cool.
Okay, you missed the room.
I missed the room.
The sniper room.
Oh, I missed
You want
it.
to go down? Do it again.
Here's the camera.
May sniper pala roon. Diyan, sa may kuha na yan, may sniper pala dyan. O, tapos dito lumalabas.
Ayan. Here's the...
Yung vulkan na yan, may sniper pala dyan.
Yes, sir. Okay. It's getting hot. It's terribly hot over here.
Rồi đi tiếp đi các bạn ơi.
Okay.
Xe mới nhìn cái tròi lên rồi.
Oh, right there, right there. This sniper. Hey, hey. Are you there? Oh, there's a sniper. There's a sniper.
Stick your gun now, shoot him.
Hey, I have grenade here.
Ah, dyan ba? Dyan ba? Dyan ba yun?
Dyan ba?
Oh, dyan
Dyan
pala.
pala na.
Dyan. May baril daw.
That's
May baril
the
doon.
sniper hole or window.
Yeah. Ah, nakita nila.
Give it a try everyone to see the hideout.
Yan pala ang butas ng pan sniper. Opo.
Where's your camera, next? Dito na.
Pastor Nico pumasok sa You made it, brother.
I go back to the Philippines.
Diyan na pala si Bishop Prince.
Welcome to the Philippines.
You're in the Philippines now, you stay there.
Sa palagay nyo, naiba na kayo kay Sandy.
Picture tayo. Kasi natin picture.
Medyo mo ako mag-hi ako kay Queenie.
Sige.
Queenie, I miss you.
You deserve it. Gold medal.
You can try.
Come around, take a look first before you try this one. It's really good. Over here, everyone, another secret entrance.
Where
Alright.
is the exit of this entrance?
I don't really know. You should go down and find it yourself.
Really?
Right? Just take a look first before you try. Take a look first, everyone.
Okay.
This one goes to Cambodia.
Come around here, everyone. Take a look at this one. So with this way, it can take you to Vietnamese massage room.
Massage room.
Massage, really good.
Yeah,
Free acupuncture. Take a look.
The bamboo trap. The bamboo trap.
Yeah, it's a booby trap. Everyone just
Booby
jump.
trap.
A movie. Yeah, I saw
that's
this
the
in the
booby
movie.
trap.
It's kind of like second
Ako poncho. Ay poncho.
Kaponcho. The main purpose
The booby trap.
is not really used for killing, leaving out most of the social factors.
Yan yung kanilang mga
They not really die right away. They just got injured.
tawag dyan.
When they got
Tagalog.
hurt, they started to yell shrimp. That could scare the whole
Galing
teammate.
nila na present.
Others around, they need to be more careful, slowing down, searching for traps.
Okay naman.
And
Sige, gusto magpatulok. O, ayan.
fighters around this area, it's much bigger and deeper. This one just from one bomb, and at a time it's told in the house like 500,000 tons of bomb will drop here. everything completely like destroyed, wiped out at the end of the war.
Yun nga
And the
sinasabi.
forest here is the new one. New forest with new like tree and plants. Argon wood farms and another thing. Have you heard of like Agent Orange? The chemical. Around like 480 tons of chemicals sprayed around you to kill the vegetation. Right? That chemical really toxic. Right? And there's a good place in Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam War, and the chemical is called a War Remnants Museum in District 3. Get there, take a look.
Okay.
That place will give you an overview of the whole Vietnam War. Right? Go this way, everyone. You went there?
No.
One is not from a bomb. It's a part of a tunnel like collapse. Collapse tunnel by erosion, not from
Collapse
bomb.
pala yung tunnel.
So there are different ways. Here like intersection, everyone. 1, 2, 3. With this way, it can take you deeper to the second layer. So there are different layers, right? The deepest one, 12 meters deep.
12 meters.
So who wants to try to go in? This one. To discover more tunnels. With more tunnels, you will be rewarded as a national hero by the government. What do you think?
I don't know about the reward, but I don't want to go there.
You want to be a Filipino warrior?
No, not that thing.
We're joking. You want to go down here with your head first.
Okay.
Recovery room. Around 5 meters, you're going to get to the hut over there. That's the surgery. Around 5 meters, so this is the easiest one. Get inside, please.
Everyone,
Everyone.
Come on, come on.
Give it a try.
Come on.
Go
Nakapasok din.
inside.
Pass over.
Wow, dito pala yung ibang tunnel.
May ilaw. Okay. Adi kami na, hatanin. Mga bitkong.
Bitkong!
Anira.
Ah, grabe yung tunnel. Mapasok.
Ade, nasuot kami ni Badong din eh. Ni Badong, amoy ni Juan, ini survival na bitkong.
Oh! Ito pala yung kanilang ano. Ah,
Didi, anira
hospital.
emergency. May ganira ginoperahan, ira
Ayan,
biktima. Adi didi, nira gindadara. Okay, bagay-bagay di medical area.
This is the surgery room.
Yeah.
It's gonna be okay, don't worry. My friend.
Gawalit na kami.
Look, sir.
Buhi na Badong, buhi
Sir,
na.
see right here. Take a look. Surgery, operation, everyone. Take some pictures and then go upstairs.
grabe. Grabe yung kanilang kwan. Oh, sumulod. Sumulod. Ito yung mga naghihimatay na dinadala dyan. Hospital yan.
It's easier, right, everyone?
Kwan nila. Surgery bunker.
Yeah, the deep surgery underground. At the time, it was flat cover and top,
Hey, speak.
Everything must be well hidden underground.